The basic one follow the path exercise teaches you to fly your drone in a straight and level manner. For this exercise, you need 4 cones positioned in a straight line. Take off from the pad and ascend to 5 feet. Maintain this altitude throughout the exercise. Fly from the pad across the top of the cones. After you pass the last cone, turn your aircraft 180 degrees so that it's facing towards the landing pad. Fly back over the cones. Repeat the exercise several times and then land on the pad. For an additional challenge, fly the course with your aircraft pointing in different directions.